does she have the video camera?
'Cause it's Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas, Brad.
Oh, wait, are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Let's see. Alright, let's go to stockings first, right? Which one is whose?
I don't know.
What the heck? That's awesome! Awesome! Which kind is it? The
It's a Trek
1.2?
1.2, yep.
Oh, thank you guys so much. That is so cool.
You told me about it and told me not to tell you. Why'd you tell me about it in the first place?
I don't know. Just wanted you to be in on it.
The brakes feel like they work.
Well, honey, it's a brand new bike.
I haven't had that in a while. Oh,
And just so you know,
cool.
Jacob, everyone at Bikeline knew. And all the guys that you ride with, they all knew this whole time. They were trying to keep it a secret. It was pretty funny.
Yeah, because I've mentioned that several times, because they're always asking me, like, what do you want? I'm like, a new bike.
How long ago did you buy this again?
Yeah, how long have you had this?
I just picked it up the other day, but I ordered it. This is the 2012 model.
That's fine with me.
That was the last one left in the